The high-profile human trafficking case involving the owners of Aloun Farms is scheduled to go to trial this week. Well, today the defendants asked a federal judge to throw out more than half a dozen charges against them. Mina Sugimoto was in the courtroom and joins us now with details. Mina?
Well, Sean, it's been quite a roller coaster ride for the parties in this case. Defendants Alec and Mike Sue originally pleaded guilty and went to sentencing, but it was back to square one after a federal judge rejected their plea deal with prosecutors. Now, the brothers say they didn't commit a crime at all. After a 2-year legal journey filled with twists and turns, the owners of Aloun Farms say they're eager to begin jury selection in their forced labor case this week.
On behalf of my client Mike Sue, he is very eager and very happy that the trial is here. These false allegations have been devastating to his business and to himself personally.
But not so eager that they wouldn't make a last-ditch effort to get 8 charges dismissed.
There is no question that our clients did not physically hurt anybody, did not threaten to physically hurt anyone. There was no physical coercion of any type.
More than 40 farmers from Thailand each reportedly paid recruiters about $20,000 for the chance to work at Aloun and earn $9.42 an hour. Brothers Alec and Mike Sue are accused of underpaying them and forcing many of them to live in modified storage containers and then threatening deportation and the loss of their work visas if they didn't follow the rules.
This case is kind of an interesting one because it kind of is about whether you can extend this law and call something forced labor when at most what you did was tell people what is the natural consequence of them not doing their job.
The forced labor statute at the time of the alleged offenses in 2004 to 2005 made it a crime to compel someone to work under the threat of serious harm. Federal prosecutors say serious harm can be financial, not just physical, and that the threat of deportation created fear among the workers that their families back in Thailand would be left homeless and destitute.
What is serious harm? In this day and age in particular, all of us would be seriously harmed if we lose our job.
If the government is allowed to apply this forced labor statute in the way that they're attempting to do so, I think a lot of employers need to be worried.
In 2008, a few years after these alleged offenses, Congress amended the forced labor statute to include financial harm. Prosecutors did not stop to speak with reporters today. U.S. District Judge Susan Mulway has yet to rule on the defense's motion to dismiss the charges. Mina Sugimoto, Hawaii News Now.